Hey everyone, I'm Lee Squires. Welcome to my new YouTube channel, Backyard Lawns. Bet you're asking yourself, why is he naming it Backyard Lawns? Well, if your backyard looks anything like my backyard, it needs some serious help. Of course the front yard looks good. Everybody drives by. You gotta keep up with the neighbor, right? You gotta show that domination line. You don't want to be dominated. No way. There's a lot of lawn care nuts out there. They've got stripers, they got sprayers, they got their fertilizer spreaders, they're putting down biostimulants, they're putting down this type of fertilizer and that type of fertilizer. They're going crazy, right? You bet. Well, sometimes you don't have a lot of time to focus on your backyard, and sometimes that's always last, right? So I'm renovating my backyard. I'm putting in a sprinkler system, I'm putting in topsoil, and I'm going to put in some sod. I want to take you on a journey and show you how you can start out from bare nothing, ground zero, and take you to the final product. I've worked in a landscaping business. I was in it for about 5 years, installing sprinklers and doing a lot of other different things. So I have a pretty good handle on installing sprinkler systems. A lot of people ask, well, how do you do it? Can I do it? Is it hard? Is it easy? Well, it can seem hard, but really, with some right help and coaching, it can be pretty easy. Of course, I'm a do-it-yourself guy. I'm sure you are too. Maybe. I don't know. We'll see. You can save a lot of money though if you do it yourself. And that's what a lot of people are asking about on social media. So I figured, why not put together some videos and show people how to do it. It's not too hard. So I'm gonna throw down some videos. Catch my drift? Fertilizer and spraying, right? Okay, I'm weird. That's okay. It's fun, right? Somebody to laugh at. So I'm going to throw some videos in and go through the process. I'll give you some tips, some tricks, and things to watch out for to hopefully do it right. Also, I'm looking to review tools that are used and have a few other fun things in mind that I'm building and trying to use that might be something good for the future. Who knows, right? But it's fun to try. So I just ask if you like the videos and subscribe to my channel. And the reason why I'd ask you to subscribe, because if you want to learn more about tips and tricks and reviews and those types of things, then you've come to the right place. I grew up farming, so my dad's pretty meticulous person and liked things done right, and taught me how to notice things and taught me how to understand things. And so sometimes I look at things from a different perspective. Maybe I can give you some good advice on things or open your eyes to something. Okay, your eyes are already open if you're watching this video, hopefully. I know, it's getting nutty out here. So I just ask that you subscribe and we'll have a fun journey together. We'll catch you later.